When you receive our cylinder marking machines, you will receive these items. One is our marking head, and this is the rotary fixture. This is the column. Here are two columns. We can adjust the height by according this. If your cylinder is very high, you use these two columns. If the cylinder is small, so we can remove one column. Now we can see this cylinder a little higher, so we can installing two columns. Here we have a controller. Here you can see here has three cables. One is power line cables, one is the rotary fixture cables, one is power supply cables. Now I will teach you how to use it. First, we use these power line cables to connect the marking head and the controller. And here, we need to fix it. Now we need to connect the controller. Secondly, we need to connect the rotary fixture cables. Here at the rotary, we need to connect it. Here, rotary. Connect this power supply cable. Here, our power supply cable. Here has a air pipe. We need to connect it here. Air pressure valve. We need to adjust the air pressure to 4 to 5 bar. Okay. After connecting all the cables, now we can start to open the power supply button here. Press the power supply button. Click the start and click the mark. Create a new mark. Here we can edit the content you need. Here the angle, we need to adjust it to 90 degrees. And here we can adjust the height as you want. We can make it to 6. The widest we can make it 5, 4. Okay. Now we can adjust the font. Click the content. Font. Here we click the print. After edit the content, we need to click the print, and here has a setup. The speed usually adjusted to 19, and here move speed we adjusted to 19 too. And here reset times we can set it to 1. So each time after marking he will reset it. Here has a workpiece diameter. This diameter is for the rotary of the cylinder. example, this cylinder diameter is 110. So here we write the really diameter. Okay. Now everything is setting well. Click OK. Come to the next step. Now we need adjust this marking needle to the center of the cylinder. Here we need to connect here. Click the center. Click the center. And here we can see the marking needle is not in the right position. See, we need to adjust it to here. How we adjust it? We can adjust it by the text position. See? Okay, now it is in the center, the right position. We can start marking. Here has a air button, but we not open it first. Come to here. Also have air button. We not open it. We press the print. Yeah, so we can see how it is marking if it is in the right position. After checking the right marking position, we can open the air pressure and start marking. Now here has the air button. We need to press it, and also on the marking head has a air button. We should open it and press the print button. Now it start marking.